I've lost over 220 pounds and recently decided I want to restart my weight loss journey. Every week I'm creating a meal plan, so I picked up some groceries. So let me show you the grocery haul for this week's meal plan. Y'all ain't had lavash bread in forever. You guys know I love this stuff. To be honest, it's the only reason I went to Walmart today. You know I swear by this Hawaiian keto bread. It's so good. Joseph pita bread for the win. I love these. Zero net carb mini tortillas. I know they're tortillas. We're just having fun. Tostitos, my favorite kind of salsa, the mild baby. And then I got some original taco seasoning mix from Taco Bell. I got some baby spinach, some lettuce, and mini sweet peppers. I'm obsessed. I had to restock the daisy. And I had to restock the plain non-fat Greek yogurt too. Fage, it's where it's at. Strawberries, I don't know why I do this. They need help. Some Maters, sugar-free maple flavored syrup. Rouse. Is it Rayo's? Is that what it is? Marinara. Someone just tell me how to say it so I don't have to say I'm not saying it right every time. What is it? But I like this. It's low sugar. Banana Peps. Taco Bell sauce. I always get the mild or the hot. It's 0 calories. Love it. Cheese flavored sawdust. Leave me alone. I always stock up on the Gatorade Zero. Sugar-free gel snacks or Jello. You know what I'm saying. I love these because I get a sweet tooth a lot of the time, but I don't really have a lot of calories to spare. So when I need something sweet but don't have a lot of calories, gel snacks, Jello, whatever. That's what it is, sugar-free. Ooh, these are a little more than the other one. 10 calories per one. Some sirloin Philly steak. It's supposed to be thinly sliced. Bell peppers and onion. I think you know where this about to go. And I'm the queen of easy, just not easy like that, okay? I love keeping like meat in the freezer, just pre-cooked, okay? That way, when I'm hungry, it's right there. I don't have an excuse. So I love keeping chicken, meatballs, chicken burgers that are pre-cooked in there. I can pop them in Chef Mike, voila. I'm telling you, it helps. When things are too complicated, that's when I'm off the wagon. Don't make it complicated, it doesn't have to be. And we don't want to hear about preservatives and this and that. Don't want to hear it, babe. Bye. I'm not even playing. I will carve out enough calories in the day to eat 2 of these every single night before bed because I'm obsessed. Got to. I'll starve all day just to eat them. I ain't playing. Had to grab some more salted caramel protein shakes. These are one of my faves. Now, a lot of the stuff I bought is for the meal plan, but on the weekends, I don't abide by the meal plan. I stay within the calorie deficit, but I eat different things, if that makes sense. So 5 days is a full meal plan. 2 days, stay within calorie range, just eat different stuff. A Quest pizza, I love these. And then a real good broccoli and cheddar cheese stuffed chicken. It's also low carb and high in protein. Babe, they had it this time. Salted caramel skinny sauce. 0 calories, 0 sugar. But they didn't have the dark chocolate espresso this time. Usually it's the other way around. But I got this. Any ideas what the meal plan is for the week? Time's up. Okay, so what I'm thinking is breakfast pizzas, cheese steak or steak and cheese bowls, kind of like what Subway does. And then I'm thinking tacos of some kind. So whether I just eat a taco lasagna, or just have taco meat with cottage cheese and salsa because it's delicious. That's what I'm thinking. Subject to change though. We'll see. So stay tuned and you'll find out what the exact meal plan ends up being. And I'll share some recipes too.